Hi everyone, welcome to Vircham TV. This is Sriram of Grade 12 presenting the news of the day. To update yourself with the latest news of technology, Vircham TV has become family members of many families. The Directorate of Government Examinations has clarified that all students of class 10 will be promoted this year irrespective of their marks scored in quarterly of a examination. Chennai deserted as lockdown kicks in. 2000 plus cases filed against violators. Petrol and diesel price is continued to be high. The Viluppuram district administration has stepped up surveillance and vehicle checks to monitor people entering the district from neighbouring states and from Chennai, where there has been spike in COVID-19 cases. Skeletal remains of a child were excavated from Kandagai village, part of 6th phase of ongoing excavation in ancient site of Kiradi on Friday. The Tamil Nadu government has also been promoting consumption of Tapasura Kudineer to boost immunity, although it has made it clear that it is not a medicine to treat COVID-19. Salt manufacturers in the state are now worried about the impact of southwest monsoon on salt production this year. Thuthukudi Medical College Hospital to get COVID-19 second lab within a week. The ICMR has asked states to scale up COVID-19 testing capacity to enable early detection and containment of the infection. ACNO-based Indian Institute of Toxicology Research developed a sterilizing machine that can make N95 masks and PPE kits reusable for at least 20 times. A bill has been filed in the Supreme Court to implement a uniform educational system with the same curriculum for all children between the ages of 6 to 14 years in the country. Supreme Court directs Center to fix prices for women tests in all the states amid disparity among the states. World Health Organization chief warns pandemic accelerating. World sees highest single day infections. China denies detaining Indian soldiers after reports 10 soldiers are freed. Brazil tops 1 million cases as Vivid spreads inland. Corona updates. More than 14,000 cases reported in India. Total tally near to 4 lakhs. Tamil Nadu's COVID-19 tally rises to 54,449 with 2,115 fresh cases. The June 21 solar eclipse will start at 9:15 am IST and will go on until 3 pm IST. The maximum eclipse will take place at 12:10 IST. With this me, Sriram of Grade 12, signing off with the note of keep watching Vircham TV. Stay tuned, stay happy.